Well, good day again, everyone. Yeah, it's the IQ man. He made another video today. Yeah, I actually made about 3 or 4. Yeah, baking at its finest. He made a video, little update on the dogs. Yeah, he's at the dog kennel, ex chicken pen, talking about his female dogs. Yeah, he had another batch of pups. They're just about ready to wean. the dog breeder, not the farmer. He's the dog breeder. Yeah, he's really sad about his favorite females that are gone missing. Blackie. He mentioned other names. Doesn't know what happened to them all, but they're gone. For now, he's got about 6 females that need fixed, and 3 female pups coming up. So about 10 altogether. He says about. I guess you can't count properly. Can't use all his fingers because the camera's in one hand. But no money comes. He will do 1 female a month, he promises. But as of right now, no budget. Oh, and no budget for the fish food. So he needs to harvest. His next video he made, yep. He looked high and low to scrape up a budget, but he can't see anywhere. Oh, IQ man, you make me laugh. Poor old bullhole boss. He's sick. Wrong time. Gotta do this harvest. It's a struggle.
So.
Yeah, yeah. He has no good plan for the harvest. Not sure how it's going to work out, but him and Tata have talked it over and over. The IQ man don't know what it is. His old brain not working well this time. Well, this time he's telling the truth. I agree. The high IQ brain ain't been working most of the time. But like it or not, gotta get this harvest done because no budget. Yep, no budget for fish food, dog food, no budget for anything. Not even any budget for Gina's mansion. I'm sure Gina's getting a little upset, hey? Oh, he makes another video. Now the rain starts. Poor sick Bahovel boss with flashlight out working on the tanks. He's got to siphon out some water. He doesn't want the tanks to overflow and wash away all his fry. Hey, boss hog, be careful. Don't trip over some garbage there in the darkness. You can't see good with that flashlight. Okay. He carries on. Gotta get this water lowered in the tank. Yeah, I looked on the satellite. There's more rain coming. Oh yeah. Well, with flashlight hand, and the clamp camera, of course, going down to the pond. I sure hope the fat man doesn't trip over some garbage in the darkness or get lost in the jungle. Yep, problems at the Bahovel. Oh, he's coughing really bad now. Poor Bahovel, beggar. He checks the ponds so nothing will wash out. Yeah, he's finally done. Oh yeah. Yeah. Problems. Now he's gonna go to sleep and likely hit the ground running in the morning like usual. He's got to, because of harvest coming and no budget. Yeah. His favorite expression. Yeah. Yeah, he's been laying it on thick the last 10 hours. But he will keep us all apprised. Right? I can hardly wait. Hey, love. What do you think? Can you say something, love? Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.